Hello students. Now the topic is light reflection and refraction. In this video, we will learn how to use mirror formula and magnification to solve some numerical problems involving spherical mirrors. We have two spherical mirrors, concave mirror and convex mirror. Let's start. Now we have two important formula. First is mirror formula and magnification formula. See, mirror formula is 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F, where V represent image distance, U represent object distance, and small f represent focal length. Now, for magnification formula, M is equal to height of image divided by height of object, that is equal to minus image distance divided by object distance. Now, if this M value is greater than 0 means 1.25, 2.7, any value like 4.76, any value greater than 1 means image is virtual and erect. And if M value comes less than 0 means 0.25 or 0.7 or 0.1339, any value less than 0 means image is real and inverted. Now remember the new Cartesian sign convention in which all the distance are measured from pole represented with capital P and the distances opposite to the direction of incident light are negative, and for same it must be positive, and heights above the principal axis must be positive. Now let's take one numerical. Now let's solve this numerical. Let's write what we have given first. See, for concave mirror, we have concave mirror reflecting surface curved inward. In this is principal axis. On principal axis, we have pole, focus, and center of curvature. So let's write what we have given. First, we have given focal length of concave mirror. So focal length represented with small f value is 15 centimeter. Now focal length is the distance between focus and pole that is in front of mirror. This must be negative. Also we have given object height. Object height is given as object height is let's take h, that is 4 centimeter. Obviously object is kept above the principal axis, that must be positive, and that is placed 45 centimeter front. So object distance also given. So object distance represented with u, that is given as 45 centimeter, that must be in front of mirror, so we need to take it as negative. Now what we need to find? First, we need to find position of image, means we need to find V. Size of image means we need to find height of image and nature of image. Third, we need to find magnification, from which we can find nature of the image. Okay, let's start solving. So, using mirror formula. Using mirror formula, that is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So in first case we need to find v. So we can rearrange this formula for v. So 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. Now substitute the values here. So 1 upon f, focal length is given as minus 15 minus 1 upon object distance also given, that is minus 45. Now let's take the LCM for 15 and now taking LCM 15 and 45. So we get, so 1 upon V is equal to minus 3 plus 1 divided by 45. We need to reciprocal because we need to find V value. So that must be equal to 45 divided by minus 2, that we have V is equal to minus 22.5 centimeter. Now here we have negative sign, that means image is in front of mirror and the distance 22.5 centimeter. Now moving to next we need to find In next find, let's calculate magnification to find size of the image. Magnification formula, m is equal to minus image distance divided by object distance. Substitute the value. So we have minus image distance is minus 22.5 divided with minus 45 object distance. Once we calculate, we get m is equal to minus 0.5. Now here negative sign indicates that the image is inverted. Now moving to third part. In third part we need to again find magnification to find nature of the image. This time we need to take magnification formula for image distance divided by object distance. So magnification we just found, substitute the value of magnification, minus 0.5 is equal to h dash image distance we need to find, and object distance given as 4. Now after calculation, h dash image dash must be equal to minus 0.5 multiplied by 4, we get image distance minus 2 centimeter. Now the image height, we can find image height is 2 centimeter, and this negative sign indicates that the again confirms that image is inverted. Hope you find the video useful. Thank you.